Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingSystem.com. Making this a small video as a weekly recap on trades taken last week, ending today on April 12th. So let's get started. This is the first trade. The week started on the 7th, and this is the first one. Gold has been going up big time, very fast, flying, right? Let me quickly show you my gold charts. I made this one I made on the monthly chart on 30th March, right, on 2024. Here we were at 22.32. And I said this is going to be the target for wave 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and black count 5 will end as well around 24.61, somewhere like that, right? Let's say 24.50. And to this chart, what happened? We are so far right here, 24.22, right? Very close to the target. So we went up all the way, big time, right? So this is why you see a lot of gold trades last week, almost 8 or 10 gold trade I had long. And again, this week you will see some more. So this is the first one, gold to the long side. Then this is pound yen to the upside for 70 pip. Yen was getting weaker, and this week as well. So you're gonna see a lot of yen pairs all to the long side because yen is getting weaker. All yen pair going up, right? So on the 8th, this is pound yen. This is Aussie yen to the upside for 70 pip on 8. This is euro yen. Like I said, all yen pair flying. So, and all of these trades taken by, most of them, 99% by the ES. You can see the arrow there. And this is it. And this is not New Zealand. Again, this was manually taken on the 8th, 60 pip. And then here, S&P 500, big move to the upside, drop, make the entry. EA took the entry, and boom, from 51.95 to 50 to 15. This is NASDAQ going to the upside. This is gold again, right? After the retracement, it start to go up again. EA took the entry here. See, this EA is different than the regular EA. The gold and oil has the same values, so I made a separate EA for them. I have separate EA for indices like S&P 500 and NASDAQ, and the separate EA for. So whichever it is, just drop the EA, that EA, no big deal, right? Because it's the value is different, a little bit different, right? So you don't have to change the value again and again and again. I just change the value, save the EA as a little bit of different. Conditions are same, but the value, the box sizes are different. That's what it is, okay? So this is pound USD going to the upside, 7-minute chart, and it is on the 9th for 75 to the upside. And here, this is gold again, going to the upside, right? On the 9th, and then on the 10th, USD yen had a nice entry here. This was the entry, this was the as well, but 115 pips here to there. And then S&P 500 again going to the upside and all the way there from 51.68 to 52.06 on the 11th, and on the 12th, euro yen is now yen start to get strong. So we will see some downside. All the yen pairs going to go down. So this is first of them, 100 pips all the way to the downside here, euro yen. And then pound USD, you get beautiful 110 pip. Look at this entry, right? And I got the email from one of my subscribers as well. And he took the same, he sent me the chart here. See that? This is the one, right? Same entry he took for 80 pip, he said. This is what it says, no problem. It's a great video, reinforcing. I had another great profitable week. Attached it. And then this is, but these are good. Okay. Right here, it says the 20-minute chart entry for 80 pips taken by the EA. So he's also using my EA. And from 20-minute chart, this is the entry I just showed you. Same entry as mine. You can see here. See that? Same entry. So if you learn the system, all you got to do is just rinse, repeat. Whatever I'm doing, you can do it on your side. Learn how to use the EA, then get the EA, and then use it, and then that's it. This is pound USD. Aussie USD did the same thing, short side, 75 pip on the 12th today. Gold again, beautiful long, right? This is the EA, taken by the EA. This is you can see the arrow here. Buy orders right there from 23.98 to 24.27. Very close to my target, 24.61, right? That would be the end of it, I guess. I don't know. And then S&P 500 going to the downside here. And that's it. So these are the trades taken by mostly 98%, I would say that were taken by the E. And but of course, you have to know the direction, the the setups and all of that. And that's why I do webinar twice a week. This week, last, I mean, Wednesday, I couldn't do it. It was a religious holiday, so I just took off, right? Was very, very busy. But Sunday, I'm gonna do that, and I'm making new charts for my subscribers, all new monthly, weekly charts and setups and all of that, and then get them ready for the next week, right? So I'm gonna explain those charts in my webinar on Sunday. So if you like what you saw, you want to take a part of it and learn the system, to want to get the system, then you can go on my website, which is right here, and then subscribe monthly, 6 month, yearly, lifetime, whatever. One-on-one coaching is right there. Everything right now has a 50% off until today midnight. So if you want to take advantage of that, and this is it, right? And you want to learn like a harmonic pattern, get wave. Let me show you this harmonic pattern. See, this is the pattern that I made, and then I send out to my subscribers, and saying that this thing is going to go up, right? It is kind of like a bad pattern, harmonic pattern, right? Gertler ends around 78%, bad around 88%. So it's supposed to be going to the upside. But if it goes to the upside and then gets stuck here without making a higher high, then there is a chance that it will drop to 127 to make a butterfly pattern. And if you look at the Euro USD, let me show you Euro USD. Euro USD did the same thing. It went up from here to here. So I had my 50 pip trade, I remember. And then today it came down big time all the way to 127. And I posted on the Telegram that it is going for 0635, and it did. Right. So that's how it went down. Let me see if I have it on the Telegram. See here, EU is going for 0635. So I posted that, and then exactly same place it came down and hit this 0635, and 127 is right there. So it's turning into, it already turned into a butterfly pattern. So it was a bad, failed, bad, and then this is a butterfly pattern. And if you draw the fifth from here to here, you will see another pattern, which we call a crab pattern. So these are, these are Elliott wave, but this the name given to these patterns is exactly this. They work definitely. You see this? This is a 61%, back to 23%, and then 161%. That's a crab pattern calculation, exact calculation, by the way, right? So bad, then butterfly, then crab. All three patterns are from here to here. So if you know exactly that which, where it is making the turn and where it's going to go next, life become very easy, right? So, and if you want to learn, you can just go on my website here, and then these courses are there. It's the Creative Harmonic Pattern course and Elliott Wave course as well. These courses will teach you a lot, and then different than other people teaching out there. All right, so this is it for now. Like I said, that if you like to subscribe, you go ahead, and then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, because I'm going to make some charts, and then give out some beautiful, nice setups for the next week in my couple of next videos over the weekend. All right, so you want to get that video and get ready for your stuff. Okay, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful weekend.